Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unrestrict your Moniepoint account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First head over to your Moniepoint app, then just log into your accounts. So now after logging into your account, if your account has been restricted or blocked or whatever, just tap on your profile at the top left corner. This is my profile and support. After tapping on help and support, now the next thing which you need to do now is you'll see this live web chat. Start a conversation on live chat, or you'll see this WhatsApp. Start a conversation on WhatsApp, or you will see this number. You can contact them via this number, or you see this email address. So as you can see, you can use any of these 4 methods to contact customer support of Moniepoint. Our advice is to reach out to them and explain to the person via WhatsApp, live chat, or call is more faster. So as can see, here's the estimated response time. So now just tell to the person that, please, my account was blocked and I'd like to unblock it or unrestrict it. Then, that person will ask for some information. You need to provide that information. So once they have requested for any information, just quickly provide it. After providing them now, your account will be unrestricted or unblocked. So that's basically how you can unrestrict your Moniepoint account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.